What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the mobile hotspot not working issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, tap on portable hotspot. Now from here, turn on and off this portable hotspot button 2 to 3 times, and after doing this it will refresh the hotspot settings and the hotspot will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue after doing this, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this white circle, and when this circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. Now after restarting your phone, the hotspot issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then check your internet connection if it's working properly or not. So to check that, open a website and check if the website is loading perfectly or not. So if the website is taking too much time to load, then it means it's your internet issue. So fix your internet connection, and after fixing the internet connection, the hotspot issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the mobile hotspot not working issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.